Pnawn da. As so many of you couldn't make my tutorial this afternoon, I thought I'd create a short video just to go over the key points of Uned 11 of the Unit 11. So our Cwrs, our lesson objective, is to revise the male and female nouns, to reinforce the I had sentence structure, and also to recap the soft mutation, because there is a soft mutation after the sentence structure of had. I had, he had, she had, and so forth. So our starter activity, enwau benywaidd, feminine nouns, enwau gwrywaidd, masculine nouns. So try and repeat the word after me to help with your pronunciation, and then decide, is it benywaidd, feminine, or gwrywaidd, masculine? Awr, awr, meaning hour, and that is feminine. Tocyn, tocyn, meaning ticket, and that is a masculine noun. Gorsaf, gorsaf, station, and that is feminine. Nodyn, nodyn, note, male, masculine. Cadair, cadair, chair, feminine. Cyflog, cyflog is your wage, male, masculine, cyflog. Syniad, syniad is an idea, and that is also masculine. Syniad, an idea. Derbynfa, reception. Derbynfa, feminine. Derbynfa. Rheolwraig, rheolwraig. So your rheolwraig is your manager if they are feminine. So that's obviously benywaidd, a feminine. Rheolwraig. And then without the AIG, rheolwr would be masculine manager. Rheolwr would be gwrywaidd. Marchnata, marchnata, marketing is masculine. Marchnata. Here are some of the key words that were introduced in Unit 11, in Unit 11. Adeiladu tîm, llynedd, maes parcio, newyddion, llai, mwy, a trwm. A picture is going to appear on the screen now, and just give yourself a couple of seconds to figure out which word that picture matches to. Let's have a look at the first picture. 2020, so 2020, 2020. Matches with the word llynedd, llynedd, which means last year. So 2020 was last year. Llynedd, last year. He or she is struggling with the weights because they are trwm, trwm, meaning heavy, trwm. The news, newyddion, and you can see the first three letters match. New, now, newyddion, news. Team building. Adeiladu tîm. You see, we've got the roof on there, so it elongates the I noise. Team. Adeiladu tîm. Team building. More or less. Are there more or less pebbles on this side? Less. Llai. Less. Llai. Car park. maes parcio. Car park, maes parcio. You'll see that park looks quite similar, just that we don't have a K in the Welsh alphabet. So it's a curly cut rather than a kicking K, if you like. So it's a C rather than a K. Then more or less on this side, there are more, mwy. Yr amser gorffennol, the past tense. Let's have a look at some past tense sentence structures that have been introduced to you in the previous units. I did. Mi wnes I. I did. Mi wnes I. I went. Mi es I. I went. Mi es I. And I had. Mi ges I. I had. Mi ges I. You are now going to translate 5 sentences using those 3 sentence structures. Mi es I, mi wnes I, mi ges I. What I'd like you to do is to read out the sentence out loud and then try your best to translate. Don't worry if you don't know them word for word, just have a go. Pause the screen after I've revealed all 5 and then I'll go over the answers. Let's have a go and see if you were able to translate them correctly. Mi ges I amser diflas yn y cyfarfod. Mi ges I amser diflas yn y cyfarfod. Mi ges I had. Amser means time and diflas, boring. So I had a boring time. So boring is the adjective, so that comes after the noun, amser, time. So I had a boring time in the cyfarfod, meeting. Mi ges I amser diflas yn y cyfarfod. I had a boring time in the meeting. Mi es I i'r ysbyty ddoe. Mi es I went. Mi es I i'r ysbyty ddoe. I went to the hospital yesterday. Ddoe, yesterday. Mi wnes I helpu'r claf. Mi wnes I helpu'r claf. Mi wnes I means I did. And then help. So I did help or I helped. I helped. And who's the claf? The patient. Mi wnes I helpu'r claf. I helped the patient. Mi ges I lai o gyfleoedd. Mi ges I lai o gyfleoedd. Mi ges I had. Llai was in our last activity. Less. It's mutated, that's why there's only one L. So mi ges I llai or I had less of. Cyfleoedd, opportunities. Mi ges I lai o gyfleoedd. I had less opportunities. Mi es I i'r cinema ar y penwythnos. Mi es I went. Cinema looks really similar to cinema. So I went to the cinema ar y penwythnos, on the weekend. Mi es I i'r cinema ar y penwythnos. I went to the cinema on the weekend. We're going to finish by revising and recapping everything from Unit 11 using Quizlet. Now, Quizlet might be quite new to some of you, but it's a great resource and a great revision tool. I've put the link to the website just under in the comment section on YouTube, so you should be able to click on that. It might ask you to create a login for Quizlet. It's totally for free and you can use your Betsy or your personal email address. So it is worth doing. So click on the link and it will take you to this Quizlet set. So Unit 11, the 60-hour course, the mi ges I had sentence patterns. And as you can see, what I've done is I've put all the vocabulary from Unit 11 into this Quizlet set. And there are a variety of games and different activities you can play to help to reinforce and to revise those phrases. So the flashcards, awr equals hour. Cadair, chair. So you can quiz yourself to see if you know the translations. You can learn them. So it's multiple choice there. We had. Me gathon ni. Less. Llai. And so forth. You could do a spelling test. Match is quite good fun, so I can see who got the fastest time. So match, you get given the Welsh and the English, and all you have to do is match them together. So gravity is another good game activity. Tocyn, ticket. So you just have to type in the translation. Mi ges ti, mi gaddoch chi. You had. The different activities you can use on Quizlet to help revise these key phrases. Diolch, hwyl fawr.